We're here to celebrate energy equity. You know, a lot of folks out here, a lot of people always think that solar is just for rich people, right? Well, we're here to tell you it's not. Solar is for everybody. And this project here today, the Knolls, 685 kilowatt system, which is the largest solar system in the city of Orange. Probably the 5th or 6th largest solar system that we've installed.
I co-founded Sunrun 15 years ago with the vision of having the planet run by the sun. And since then, we are coming up on our millionth customer almost. And our larger business, which is more single family homes, fully a third of those customers qualify as low to moderate income federally currently. But that really wasn't enough. We wanted to do better. And that's what caused us years ago to partner with Scott and his team to really accelerate our build out of multifamily low to moderate income.
But in order to meet the state's climate goals, which is to become 100% carbon neutral in 2045, we're going to need to take bold actions to build out the grid. The Knolls project is the exact kind of project that's critical not only to accomplishing SCE's clean energy pathway to reduce GHG emissions, but also for making sure that all of our customers also realize the cost savings that come with clean energy.
Our estimates show that a typical household at the Knolls can look forward to saving approximately $700 per year on their energy bills. We're putting money back into the pockets of our residents, empowering them to invest in their families, education, and overall well-being.
This benefits the tenants, our city, and most of all the environment. And again, this is our future. We're so happy and proud, and we are looking forward to future projects just like this. Again, bring it on, and thank you so much.